How to set password in YouTube in Samsung TV. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set a password on the YouTube app on your Samsung Smart TV to control access and keep your account secure. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Samsung TV. Turn on your Samsung TV. Navigate to the YouTube app and open it. Step 2. Go to Settings in YouTube. Using your remote, scroll to the left menu and select Settings, gear icon. Step 3. Select Restricted Mode. Scroll down to Restricted Mode. Turn it on to filter out mature content. Step 4. Set a PIN for parental controls, Samsung TV settings. YouTube itself does not allow a direct password, but you can restrict access by setting a PIN for the YouTube app via Samsung's system settings. Press the Home button on your remote. Go to Settings, Broadcasting, Program Rating Lock Settings. Enable the Program Rating Lock and set your PIN. Lock the YouTube app to require the PIN when opening it. Step 5. Use Samsung's Smart Hub parental controls. Go to Settings, Broadcasting, Smart Hub Settings, Reset Smart Hub, optional if you want to reset. Use Smart Hub PIN to restrict app access. The default PIN is usually 0000 unless you changed it. Note, this last method restricts the whole YouTube app or other apps but does not add a password inside the YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung TV tips and tutorials.